Hello and welcome back to our introduction to AI programming with Lovable. This is Tweak the Styling. Once you've scaffolded a basic application, the next logical step is customization, which typically involves manually editing style sheets. However, Lovable makes this task significantly simpler by enabling style customizations through straightforward prompts. Imagine you need your app to match specific brand guidelines, or you simply want a more polished professional look without diving deep into CSS. In this demonstration, we'll see how quickly Lovable responds to prompts that modify the visual styling of our to-do app. We'll observe changes such as color adjustments, typography choices, and layout refinements being applied immediately through Lovable's intelligent interpretation of our natural language instructions. By the end of this demonstration, you'll feel comfortable and confident prompting Lovable to visually refine your projects, making customization a swift and approachable part of your workflow. Our instructions say, with the to-do list app open in Lovable, type the following prompt clearly into the chat interface. Let's copy that and let's zoom out. Before we do that, let's just watch this video.
Let's revisit our To-Do app inside Lovable and quickly customize its appearance. In the chat prompt, after clicking the Edit option, we'll specify our desired styles. Change the background color to light blue, set task text to dark gray, and use a clean sans serif font. Lovable immediately applies these style adjustments, saving us from manually editing CSS. Let's verify these changes in the preview pane, confirming our app now matches the desired look. If we'd like to refine further, we simply prompt Lovable again. Let's type, increase the padding around each task and slightly round the corners of task boxes. Lovable again makes quick work of these style enhancements. Checking the preview, our To-Do app now looks polished, professional, and precisely as intended.
So again, going back to our instructions, we're gonna copy this, go back over here, and just like we saw in the video, we're gonna paste our prompt here, press enter, and take note of how this looks currently. We're going to check it out right now once this is done and see how it changed. So we do see that background color was changed very subtly here. Let's go back to our lesson. It says wait a moment while Lovable automatically applies the requested styling changes to your project. Open the integrated preview pane to confirm that the background, font color, and font style changes are correctly reflected in the app. If further adjustment is needed, type another prompt into Lovable to refine the appearance. Here we're going to copy that, and it's the same changes that we saw made on the video. Let's just add something here, such as a few tasks there. So let's paste our prompt. We're going to increase the padding around each task and slightly around the corners of task boxes. And we do see the changes have been updated. Let's go back over here. Confirm in the integrated preview pane that the additional style refinements have been successfully applied. So we are able to see that our to-do list page has been properly updated. As you're playing with this, feel free to make your own changes to really get a good feel of how this works. Remember, previous lessons explained the importance of clearly describing your prompt. AI is very specific, and if you don't give it precise instructions, it's going to hallucinate or it may misunderstand what it is you're asking for. So clarity in prompt creation is key when using Lovable AI to build a website. If you understand that, you're understanding these lessons, and I'll see you in the next video.